Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you through this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the stunning Volkswagen T-Roc TSI R-Line that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised deep black pearl paintwork. This brand new SUV does come as a two-wheel drive, complete with your efficient automatic transmission and 1.5 petrol engine, making it the ideal spacious runaround. Packed with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights. You do also have your stylish roof rails and 17-inch Valencia alloys. For added protection, you do have your parking sensors and power folding heated door mirrors, alongside plenty of space in your boot area to house all your travel needs. Stepping inside to a world of luxury with your part leather finish with your handy pull down armrest and central climate vents and power outlets to really enhance comfort further. Step into your front interior and you will be faced with your multifunctional R-Line steering wheel with access to your digital cockpit screen and central touch display screen. You do also have plenty of storage in your central console, alongside being complemented by your embroidered badging on your two front seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel with access to your adaptive cruise control, altering your speed accordingly to surrounding traffic, and of course you can easily navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display all your vital driving data, including your navigation, audio and Bluetooth connection. For advanced safety, you do also have your lane assist, reducing the chance of any minor collisions. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you and your travelling passengers entertained on those longer trips. However, you do have your Bluetooth connection with your App Connect, compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to vital car apps and preferred audio. You do also have your built-in navigation system with this vehicle, so it is ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in an unfamiliar area, as it does come equipped with your points of interest. Of course, you do have your on-screen display of your vehicle information, so you can easily keep an eye on that, alongside further safety features including your IQ Drive and front and rear parking sensors to reduce the chance of any minor bumps when you are getting into those tighter spaces. And for a more tailored temperature, then you do also have your on-screen display of your dual climate control. Further controls for this can be found just below, alongside your two front heated seats with 3 different temperature options, so it is ideal in those colder winter conditions, alongside your front and rear heated windscreens. You do also have several power outlets located just underneath with a small charging pocket, alongside your electronic parking brake, cup holders and small storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.